Hello everyone and welcome to another video of mine. A video where we get to open my favorite and some of y'all's favorite too. Y'all love to roast me, I love to try things on. So, super excited about this guy. I love getting Stitch Fix. For anyone who doesn't know, it is not technically a subscription service, but it is an online styling service where you can get clothes based off of your style profile. They've got a person that picks out outfits for you or clothing pieces for you, either based on your requests, you know, if you're in need of a dress, they'll send you dresses to try on, etc., etc. You need new jeans? They gotcha. They do clothing, accessories, shoes, bags, all that good stuff. And like I said, I love it. Some of my favorite pieces in my wardrobe end up being or are from Stitch Fix. Don't get me wrong, sometimes the stylist can get my style completely wrong, but sometimes she can also get me things that I normally wouldn't try on, and then I end up loving on me. Sometimes the stuff is too expensive, sometimes it's an absolute steal. I mean, it's a real, I don't want to say crapshoot because that has a negative connotation, but I do think it's a whole lot of fun. You also, with your styling fee, get your return mailer bag, so it is pre-stamped, ready to go for you to just drop off at your convenience at the post office for any returns and exchanges you need. As always, I technically am an affiliate of Stitch Fix's, not because I do YouTube. Literally anyone who has Stitch Fix can be an affiliate, but I do always have my link down below. If you want to check them out, get yourself some kickback. I believe it gets you your first fix for free, and it also gets me some kickback that I usually end up putting it towards the clothing in my Stitch Fixes. So, looks like we got all clothing this time, no accessories. So let's see. I see some patterns. It looks quite springy in here, which I'm excited about. Ooh, I love the colors. This mauve, are you kidding me? Look at this color. This is so pretty. Is it a cardigan or just a normal sweater? Either way, I love it. I'm gonna buy this. I already know it. This is me. Like, this is 100% me. It's see-through, so I don't have to worry too much about overheating, even though this does feel like a nice, sturdy knit. The color is gorgeous. It's got a little bit of a slit, a high-low to it. It's soft. Oh, this is a win already. I don't even have it on my body yet, but I already know. We also have a dress. I love a good navy polka dot. Oh my goodness. Oh, for cute. Now, listen, I'm not a big fan of spaghetti straps because your girl needs a bra. Even if it's a very low impact bra, I like having something on, but this is very cute. I love the scallop here on it's kind of a sweetheart, is it not? Oh my god, it has pockets that also have that scalloped edge on it. This is one of the cutest things I think I've ever gotten in a Stitch Fix. That's adorable. I don't care that it has spaghetti straps. I will make that work. I need this to fit me. Chest. I better not have a I wish I could just chop my boobs off moment. I hope my boobs fit in that dress. I'm gonna assume this is also a dress. Cute! Ooh, although maybe it looks like I need to... You guys tell me all the time that I don't look bad in maxi dresses. I just don't feel comfortable in maxi dresses. I think they make me look shorter than I already am, and I know a lot of you say that you're short too, you're just as short as me, you're shorter than me, and you love wearing maxi dresses. I don't know, maybe someday I'll be able to figure out. I'm not gonna lie, I don't love this fabric. It's just one of those kind of cheapy feeling fabrics that usually doesn't breathe very well, but I'm not like in love with the floral pattern, but I like it a lot more than some other floral patterns. I don't dislike it, but it's got a keyhole in the back, a nice open V for the front, some fluttery sleeves it looks like. Oh, it's not a dress. This is a romper. Might be able to get down with the fact that this is a romper. We'll see. Although the thought of this material in the summer in my crotch is like giving me a lot of anxiety. But we're gonna try it out. We're gonna try it out. Not gonna write it off yet. Looks like maybe a nice tie shirt. Oh my god. Do I need everything in this fix though? I love this. I feel like I've gotten a similar shirt to this before, but this I like this material. It's very lightweight and soft feeling. It feels like it could breathe. It is just this really beautiful, like salmony pink, but it's got a little bit of red in it and white striped. It's a collar. I always forget, or I don't even know that I know what this kind of a sleeve is called, where it's kind of like a drop sleeve and there's no seam. I actually quite like that. It looks kind of just loosey-goosey, breathable, comfy. Yes, I am very excited about that. And then last but not least, are we gonna go 5 for 5? I like this so far. Is this what is considered like a tunic blouse? Embroidered top, either way. It just has that kind of like crepey, linen-y feel to it. Probably just cotton, but I love these little floral bits. Look how cute, these little embroidered bits. Oh, I love that. It's one of those things where it's like, I could do that to some of my clothes that I want to spruce up someday, but it's even better when it's like already done for me. That's really cute. Oh my god, I love everything in my box, so I shouldn't say I love everything. I love 4 of the pieces, and I potentially like the 5th piece. So this is very exciting, you guys. I'm actually really excited to try this stuff on. Normally I'm like, oh, there's a piece or 2 that I'm excited to try on. The rest of it, it's gonna be an experience, but I'm actually excited about this stuff. Ooh, let's try it on. All right, first things first, this sweater. So cute. I knew it would be. You know, there's just certain items of clothing where you're like, yep, that's the one. It's everything I love. You know, a little deep cut for me. Like, how often do you guys see my cleavage? But like, good, open neck, you know, open me up. On top, beautiful sleeves, the perfect length of sleeve if you ask me. I love the material, getting me all stuttery. It is a sweater. It fits me. Like I said, it's got the high-low there. Kind of circularizes my tummy, but like at the same time I really don't care. Because it is cute. Because it is cute. Look at me go. The only like problem with this is the kind of material, if my cat's claws get anywhere near this, it's gonna snag. But otherwise, worth it. It's so cute. Gorgeous, actually. Look at me tempt fate. But Fig wanted to say hi. Isn't that right, baby? My big baby. Sorry, did I offend you? I love you. Please don't kill my sweater. Sadness, my friends. I love myself too much to do this to myself. This is not... And I know everyone's gonna say, Cassie, if you would put on a better bra. No, if I put on a better bra, it would just make it so instead of these 2 buttons scrunching, it would be the next 2 up scrunching. So listen. Also, my boss arm, my pudge arm, whatever you're gonna wanna call it. To me, it's just my fat arm. It's a little tight. It's tight. It's tight. It's tight. I can't do this to myself. Even on my smaller arm, it's getting there. I'm sure if I put this in the wash once, it would shrink, and I can't do this to myself. Otherwise, it's a great shirt. You know, fits me in the back, and it had potential, but it just, I can't do this. But like, look at, if you only saw this part of it, I'm cute. But you see the rest of it, it's too small. It's too small. Oh no. You know when you get your shirt and you go to put it on and you start to stretch it and you're like, that's gonna be too small. Maybe not. Wait, it actually fits and it's cute. Stop, be still my heart. What is that neckline? That's really cute. Look at that embroidery. That's cute. I'm just so nervous. If this shrinks even like a centimeter, I won't be able to fit it over my bust. And that saddens me because this is so cute. But it's a little, you know, it's like slightly, it's not tight around my hips, but it's snug. And that's not really a good feeling. Oh no, this is so cute otherwise. Like I said, I love the embroidery. Although, like I said, that is something I could do myself on a shirt. Like, oh, I love that neckline. That's really cute. Oh, like just here. Look how cute! Shoot. But yeah, like going for the lift. Can we see the pucker right there? That would be uncomfy. No. Listen, the idea is there. It's mainly this material that I can't. Because I would be wearing this in the spring and summer when it would be hot. And this just... Can you hear it? Do you know the kind of... I think it's probably polyester. Don't get me wrong, we love a nip in at the waist. We love pockets. Like, that's great. But like I said, the thought of this material in my crotch... Yikes. But like, it does fit. Can we see the whole thing? Romper, yes. Little, I think it's supposed to be cropped, but for me it just kind of is ankle length. I can't do it. I just can't. Otherwise, listen, like I said, the idea, it's there. We love green, we do, but it's just not gonna work for me. Am I the cutest though? Wait, like, am I? Am I the cutest though? God, showing this much upper body, I may as well be naked here on camera for you guys, huh? But it actually fits my bosom. Nips at the waist, pockets, comfy, length, perfect. Do I just need to be that girl that just doesn't care and I wear no bra under this? Or I know plenty of people that will still wear their normal wide strap bras, but they'll wear a nude one like this and just live with it. But like, stop. 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 I almost broke my ankle. She's cute. I love the stretchy band in the back. I have room to expand and stretch. That little scallop. Who is she? This is one that I can certainly concur would look better with the girls pushed up a little bit. Listen, I get it. But this is the bra I'm wearing today, so like, deal with it. So, not everything worked out. You are correct. You are. But we had some winners and the ideas were all there. So, I want the sweater, I want the dress. Let's find out how much they're gonna cost me by looking, oh, hello, in this envelope. First off though, let's see what my stylist had to say. It wasn't Emily this time. Say hello to Jess. Well done, Jess. She welcomes me/us to my 37th fix. Jess is thrilled to be a part of my style journey. Hope she's doing well. She hopes I'm doing well. I hope she's doing well. Let's see, spring is officially here. The pieces included are perfect. You can dust off the winter weather in that sweater. The blush hue is great for spring. Will look so cute with your light wash denim from the last fix. The dress makes getting ready for the day effortless, and she wants my feedback. Okay, hello Jess. I mean, I think you did great. Like, the items didn't all work for me, but that was more of a fit thing. The style thing, I totally get what where you were coming from. Now let's see what the prices are. Ugh, the V-neck pullover is $68. That hurts. It's not a $68 sweater. I would say it's like a $48 sweater. The jumpsuit is 58 bucks. Oh my god. Well, I'm glad that that embroidered top didn't fit me because it's $128. I mean, granted, the quality was there. That embroidery was beautiful. The material, so soft and nice feeling. Like, this is a piece that feels like it would last for decades, not just years, decades. But thank God the fit wasn't there. Cause yeah, I can't. No, $128 for a top, no. Button down top, 64 bucks. I'd put it more, I could see it retailing for like 48 bucks, maybe 52. And the dress is $68, which it is not worth $68. I would say it's worth like $45. So, I cannot be spending $140 on a sweater and a spaghetti strap dress. I cannot, and I will not. I'm gonna have to check, because one nice thing is that with Stitch Fix, I mean, first off, the nicest thing is that you get that $20 styling fee towards your purchase total. You also, if you were to keep all 5 items, you would get 25% off of everything. Now, I am clearly not keeping all 5 items, so I will not get that 25% off. However, I do know what I like out of this box, so I can look online and see if there are any steals. Like, sometimes this stuff will be on Nordstrom's website, Macy's, that sort of stuff, and you can find it on sale. And maybe even for a better fit, you know, some of this stuff, I feel like Stitch Fix only carries. They do have plus size stuff. I might need to think about switching over into that territory, but like, I feel like any of this stuff, if I wanted a double XL, I wouldn't be able to exchange it for that, but who knows, maybe on a different website they might carry it in a double XL, and also it might be on sale or something, so I'm gonna have to check that stuff out. I mean, I do want to put my 20 bucks towards something, so we'll just have to wait and see, like I said, once I search for stuff online. But you guys should let me know what you thought of everything. I'm definitely gonna be looking. This makes me really want to go thrifting and see if I can find a linen-y top like this, and then I can just copy the embroidery, because I do embroidery. So like a super simple, what is it called, a back stitch and then a daisy knot, is that what those techniques are called? I can do that. So if I find a top like this, I'm gonna have to do that. Because this is really cute. And I do like it, but I mean, first off the fit, and then second, $130, no. So, let me know what you guys thought of the stuff. You can just let me know whatever you want, really, down in those comments below. You can also, like I said, use my affiliate link if you want to check out Stitch Fix for yourself. I would really appreciate it. You can also subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff down below. Hi, hello, how are you? I would love to have you here, and thank you. And yeah, that was really a messed up outro, but you guys get it, and I love you, and I hope you all are doing well. And until next time, stay well until then. Bye!